Madrid is one of Europe's top foodie destinations, but today we're on a mission to find the absolute best gluten-free food in the city. And trust me, Madrid is stacked with options. From buttery croissants to fluffy donuts, crispy pizzas, cheesecakes, and even gluten-free palmeras. We're tasting it all in just 24 hours. But which one will be the best? Let's find out. This is the sandwich that this young man made, and we are eating it on the streets of Madrid. Our first stop is a game changer for gluten-free tapas lovers. Lalina takes traditional Spanish flavors and makes them safe for celiacs, offering everything from crispy croquettes, cheese boards, calamari chips, specialty potatoes, a zesty lemon pie, and other desserts. Kudos to the waiter for recommending this cheesy fried meat. We have some really great news for you guys, the fact that we have just passed over 2,000 celiac-friendly locations
in our Gluten Advisor application that you can download for free through the app and Play Store.
Next up, located right next to the Retiro Park, we're eating at one of the best bakeries in the capital. Celicioso opened in 2012 to bring a unique experience for celiacs, as the name suggests. They got all sorts of muffins, cakes, pies, cheesecakes and many more, including these white chocolate palmeras, which were really good. But we're only just getting started. Heading into the city center, it's time to end the night with a gluten-free pizza at one of the top pizza chains in Spain called Grosso Napoletano, which serves, as you probably guessed, Neapolitan-style pizza, which pairs perfectly with this double malt Daura beer. New day, new food. La Tape serves up an amazing gluten-free brunch menu, including croissants, eggs benedict, pancakes, croquettes, burgers and tacos. Moving on, looking for something sweet, we went to Chök, a chain of gluten-free bakeries with locations all over Spain, which serve some amazing looking pastries, such as these Oreo cookies, cheesecakes, croissants, pain au chocolat, and a bunch of breads. Look how fluffy this is. And of course that we had to visit the zero gluten KrumCoffee location, where they are displaying some rustic breads, even a bread made with activated charcoal, baguettes, hamburger buns, glazed and filled donuts, these amazing looking puff pastries and croissants, just look at these chocolate ones, different types of muffins, apple pies, sandwiches, empanadas, cakes, and some packed products such as this ramen and peanut butter. This one was really good. And last up we went to the gluten-free aisle in Auchan, where they are selling lots of shared products such as this panettone, a couple of instant bechamel sauces, different types of pasta, including some from Sam Mills, a Romanian brand, some tortillas from Old El Paso and Mission.
This looks nice.
And just look at the beer selection. The sweet section was also full of Cher and Goulon, including a bunch of sugar-free products. The packaging of those look amazing. And in the next episode we are attending one of the most important gluten-free events of the year.